Smart contract. A smart contract is a self-executing program that runs on a blockchain and automates the execution of an agreement between multiple parties. The contract's code contains a set of predefined conditions, and when these conditions are met, the contract activates and completes the operations autonomously and irreversibly. This technology eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and transaction execution times. Thanks to the immutability of the blockchain, smart contracts offer a high level of security and transparency, making it impossible to alter data once the contract is deployed on the network. How do smart contracts work? Definition and writing of the code. The contract is written in a programming language compatible with the blockchain, where it will be deployed. Solidity for Ethereum, Rust for Solana, Move for Aptos and Sui. The code defines the rules and conditions of the agreement, such as if the payment is made, then the asset will be transferred. Deployment on the blockchain. Once written, the smart contract is deployed on the blockchain via a transaction. The code becomes immutable, meaning it cannot be changed or censored. Automatic execution. When the predefined conditions are met, the contract executes automatically. For example, in a sales contract, if the buyer sends the funds, the digital or physical asset is transferred automatically. Recording on the blockchain. All operations executed by the smart contract are permanently recorded on the blockchain. This ensures transparency and security, since no party can alter the data after execution. Key features of smart contracts. Decentralization. They operate on a distributed blockchain network, eliminating the need for intermediaries, such as banks, notaries, or lawyers. Security and immutability. Once deployed on the blockchain, the smart contract's code cannot be modified. Transactions are cryptographically secure, reducing the risk of hacking and manipulation. Transparency. Anyone can verify the smart contract's source code and executed transactions. This increases trust among the involved parties. Efficiency and automation. They eliminate bureaucracy and reduce transaction execution times. They enable the automation of complex processes, minimizing human errors and operational cost. Interoperability. Smart contracts can interact with other smart contracts and protocols, creating complex systems such as decentralized finance, DeFi, or decentralized applications, dApps. Use cases of smart contracts. Decentralized finance, DeFi. DEX, decentralized exchanges, enable cryptocurrency trading without intermediaries. Lending and borrowing allow users to lend and borrow digital assets without banks. Supply chain and logistics. Real-time tracking of goods, recording each stage on the blockchain to ensure transparency and reduce fraud. Insurance. Contracts that automatically issue payouts in case of predefined events. Gaming and NFTs. Creation and management of unique digital assets, NFTs, that can represent in-game items, digital artwork, or virtual properties. Digital identity in governance. Creation of secure and decentralized identity systems. Transparent and immutable voting systems based on blockchain. Challenges and limitations of smart contracts. Source code and bugs. If the code contains errors, the smart contract may malfunction or be vulnerable to hacking attacks. Blockchain dependency. Smart contracts inherit the limitations of the blockchain they operate on, such as scalability issues and transaction fees. Lack of flexibility. Once deployed, the code is immutable. If an error is discovered, a new contract must be created, making updates challenging. Legal and regulatory issues. In many countries, the regulation of smart contracts is still evolving and their legal validity is not always clear. Conclusion. Smart contracts represent one of the most revolutionary innovations in blockchain technology, automating transactions and agreements without intermediaries. Despite some technical and regulatory challenges, their use is rapidly expanding across sectors such as finance, logistics, insurance, and gaming, with the continuous development of next-generation blockchains. Smart contracts will become more efficient and accessible, unlocking new possibilities for the digital future.